What does a coaching session with me look like? So today I want to talk about this topic because I am aware that many of you have never been coached before. So it makes sense that you are wondering, like, what does a coaching session even consists of, how it looks like, how should I prepare for it, if I should prepare anything, or how it works in general. So today I want to discuss this, and the first thing that I want to say is that you don't need to prepare anything. That's the first thing, because we as STEM professionals are very used to this having this mindset of being prepared for something and doing some background and some background research in order to feel ready for a session, for a talk, for whatever it is. However, I'm here to say that the coaching session really is for you to bring just your brain, like be a brain, and that's it. That would be my message for today in order to explain a little bit what it actually consists of. First of all, I want to say that apart from not having to prepare anything, just to be a brain and be present, I want to say, what do we do practically? Like, first of all, we start by having a quick chat about your background, your career, what are your current struggles, challenges, like for me to understand what is currently going on in your career. And then we get to the part that causes friction. For example, do you have a conference talk that you should prepare, but you don't know where to start from? We work on that. We build the structure, we really get the momentum going so that you do not need to worry about what goes where or how should I say something, how should I prepare something. No, this is what we do in the coaching session. This is not school, you do not have homework, it's just something that we do together so that once the session is finished, you can move on with your life and continue doing whatever it is that you like. For example, you feel that you keep being overlooked for a promotion, like you are doing all the work, but your boss or your manager doesn't seem to recognize it. What we do in the coaching session, we build an entire strategy of how you can show the impact of your work so that it's not only the technical work that gets done, like that's the first part, but the second part is making your work visible to others, making others aware that you are the person who was in charge of that and you did this, and this is the improvement and the achievement that you obtained after doing the work, the technical work. So that's the part that we work in the coaching. We do this session in which we coach exactly on that. Like, what is it that you should say? How should you present it? How should you explain it? What are the exact words that you should use in order to get what you want, right? Get what you deserve, which is a promotion, a raise, funding, or whatever it is that you are currently pitching for. So these were just two examples to illustrate what you can bring to a coaching session. You do not have to prepare anything in the background. Like, you do not have to have any slides, you can literally come as a blank canvas saying, look, I struggle with explaining my work. Look, I'm feeling frustrated because I keep being overlooked for promotions. Look, I have this conference talk going on, but I sort of hope the conference cancels because I really don't like it. I really just want to get done with it. I'm struggling with it. How can I structure it, and so on. Like, you can literally bring whatever concerns you right now in your STEM career when it comes to communication, and we can talk through it, we can get through it, we can really go step by step and figure out what is the best way for you to get the result that you want. And this is supposed to be a safe space in which you can explain what are your challenges, what are your struggles, what is that feels this friction in your career right now. So if you would like to get a glimpse of that, like how does this actually feel in real life, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can schedule a completely free discovery call with me where we are going to get this momentum going. Like, you are going to get a sense of which kind of coach I am, what is coaching, how it looks like, whether I am the person who can help you with what you're currently getting through, and of course, if we can work together in the future to achieve the results that you are looking for. So I hope that this video clarified a little bit the doubts and your doubts and your questions about how coaching looks like and what it consists of. And see you next time in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.